Rice Krispie treat, today we're gonna do a Lucky Charms treat. Super good, my favorite cereal. I have my butter here and my marshmallow, and we're gonna melt them all together until we have a smooth texture. Once you have a beautiful texture like that, everything is melted, I'm gonna add some food coloring, just a little bit like this. You're gonna see it's gonna be a beautiful green color. And then you're gonna add your Lucky Charms. Oh wow, super nice. And we're gonna mix everything together. That is so pretty, so colorful. I love it. Once you have your cereal mixed with your marshmallow, we're gonna cut a little bit, just like that. And we're gonna take it, careful because it's a little bit hot. Oh my gosh, perfect. We're gonna put it into our bowl, like this. And we're gonna use another one to press the middle to create a bowl made of Lucky Charm tray. Once you have your cup like this, we're gonna unmold it carefully. Don't want to break everything. Super cool. Look at this, rock solid. I'm gonna milk chocolate, and that's gonna help us like prevent the liquid that we're gonna put inside to leak everywhere. Here you go, and put it in the plate. I'm gonna put it next to the others, and we're gonna keep going with our boozy smoothie. I'm gonna put my ice cream straight in my blender. I'm gonna add some whiskey. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 for 1%. Very much. I'm gonna add some Baileys, just a little bit for the taste. Perfect. And 2 Oreos for 1%. I'm gonna put the lid and we're gonna start mixing. Perfect. We have our boozy shake, and I'm gonna pour it directly into our Lucky Charms treats. Some chantilly at the top. Perfect. I'm gonna add some chocolate drizzle, just a little bit to have a beautiful finish, and of course a cherry on the top. Perfect. And you're gonna leave it on the side. I'm gonna let my cocktail chill in the fridge, and we're gonna keep going with the ice cream. So I have some vanilla ice cream here. We're gonna take a little bit to create a nice little scoop of ice cream. Perfect. And I have here some cookie dough. So I made a cookie with brown sugar to have this beautiful color. And we're gonna start shaping my little bites. So we're gonna put the ice cream inside, close the cookie dough, and make sure to have a nice little bowl like this. So the ice cream will be stuck inside. I'm gonna take a large toothpick and I'm gonna dip it into some pancake batter. I'm gonna take my little bite and put her with the other one right there, and straight to the final dessert. We have our shakes here and our little bites that I'm gonna put in the third one. And the last one. Don't forget, the little details are gonna make all the difference. And to finish, some powdered sugar